Do you want to digitalize your journey? Do you want to move your data analysis skills to the next level? Do you want to visualize your data in a really creative way? Do you want to learn how to create impressive and interactive dashboards in Excel? Do you want to become data magician? Then I welcome you to my new series, Become Data Magician. Here you will learn how to convert your data into beautiful visualizations and how to give life to your numbers. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth and how you can put your creativity on the table. If you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early level of your career, or a mid-level professional, then this channel is just for you. In this video, we'll start a journey of creating an impressive and really cool and beautiful customer success dashboards in Excel. This is the first episode of this series. In this episode, I will give you a demo of the customer success dashboard that I have created, and in the upcoming episodes, you will learn how to create the step-by-step process to create such impressive and interactive dashboards. So stay tuned and watch the complete series to learn about giving life to your numbers. So this is the customer success dashboard that I'm talking about, and this is such a great dashboard. And this is a dashboard that I have created, and you will learn the step-by-step process in the upcoming episodes in this series to learn how to create such an impressive dashboard and give life to your numbers, give life to your data. And I will give you a demo of this dashboard, and like this is the dashboard. This is the data represented in different type of charts, different maps, and different other type of waterfall charts, other line staked, and different other type of charts, 100% staked line charts, and this is the donut charts. And how you can, like, it's totally interactive type of visualizations. Your all data visualization is totally interactive, like and this interaction is being supported by the slicers, and how you can create really impressive and beautiful slicers. And these slicers are so interactive that when you click on any of the option, any of the then it will help you to segregate your data in a really beautiful way and give you the segregation based on that option. So how it does it at this everything then. So let's see. Like, I want to filter the data, to slice the data, to cut the data on the year basis, and I click on it, then it's all the data of the year 2015. Like, check here, when I click on 2016, then all the data, all the charts changes, all the charts are changed. The same is with the, like, look at here, and when you put the cursors here and move the cursor here over it, then this is the total point in March 2016. And when I click on 2015, then the all the charts changes, all the data. And this is such an interactive type of, like, look at here, and mm, here this is the California, here it is the Colorado, and different other countries, and mapped on the basis of the data. And also this is interactive, like um, the uh, area or the state of the USA with most number with the most revenue is the dark green, and then it just a gradient with the light green, or the white with the less amount of revenue, or with the less revenue. It is being almost white type of, or the like uh, light green color. And like look at here, and deliveries, like when I click on each of the air, then deliveries also changes. 9% return, 66% on time delivery, and target is 70%, and target is 8% returns. And when I click on the 2016, and it returns and on time changes, also the sales data changes, also the revenue in each of these state here changes, also the customer satisfaction also changes for the product 1 in 2016. And like look at here, for the product 2 and 2015 product 1, each of the area changes. So it's such an interactive dashboard. And you can also select multiple, like I want to select 2015 and 2016 combined. They will give the combined result of 2015 and 2017. I can also select 2017. I can also deselect each and everything. This is the beauty of slicer, this is the beauty of the visualizations. And look at this, at how interactive it is, how beautiful it is. And now in each of the year, like in 2015, I want to I want to check that what is the revenue of the product 1 in each of the month. And in each of the month, what is the revenue of the product 1. And like in 2015, I want to check that what is the revenue of the product 1. And the customer acquisition type is customer acquisition type is mailing. And I want to check in the state of Alabama. Then look at here in March. And now these are the states. And in March, in November 2015, and in different states in Alabama. And 60% on-time deliveries, 20% returns, and mailing five customer acquisition type customer were acquired using the mailing type. And customer satisfaction in Alabama in the product 1 is very low 1, and low is 2, and 2 customer have low customer satisfaction, and 2 have okay. So you need to focus on here. You can and for the product 2 you can also view. And for the for each of the product, and you can segregate based on the product, so it will give you overall results and overall visualization of each of the product. Like on time it's 25% deliveries on time, so you need to work here the product 5 and 50% return or the 50%. So it's not desired here. You can check some other area also. um, like look at here, you can check each of the area, each of the data, and each of the chart changes interactively along with map, along with sales, customer satisfaction. Each of the chart changes interactively with each of the uh, slicers buttons. Like these are the buttons, and when you click on anyone, and these all has an impact, or it's so interactive that it impacts all the charts and all the data. So you can segregate your data based on these clicking on the slicer. Clicking on the slicer is slicer being here can be considered as buttons. And you can have a really good view of all your performance in the 3 years or any type of data that you have. So how you can create such type of visualizations, and how you can give life to your numbers in such a way, and it gives you in such an impressive way that like it will give you an overall scenario that what is happening and where it is happening, and which product is giving much more revenue to, and which customer acquisition type is giving good results, which is giving the bad results, which strategy should I adopt, which product should I continue with, and which sort of product should I let off and like offboard that product and do not produce some more products like this. And also you can focus on such product that is giving you much more revenue. So it will give you an overall results about the sales in each area, what are the deliveries, what are the return, what are the customer acquisition type, because it's such customer satisfactions. So how you can create such interactive dashboards of using your data, then you have to watch this series completely, and then you will be able to create such interactive and impressive dashboard, and you can put your creativity on the table. Also the Excel dashboards can help you to create a really good impact on your boss or in anywhere you want, or it can be like if you are a freelancer, or you are working anywhere in corporate and you want to also have a passive income from freelancing, then you can learn this. You would have learned Microsoft Excel, and then you can also learn these creating such impressive dashboard, and then you can sell your services online through freelancing. um, this is all about the demo of the customer success dashboard, and in the upcoming episodes we will learn about the step by step process to create such impressive and interactive dashboards and put your creativity on the table and create a really good impression on your boss, on your manager, on your client, your customer, and create and give life to your data and give life to their data, and give them a really good way to learn about that where they are going and where they need to go and where they are heading towards, and uh, what what are their strengths and what are their weaknesses, what are their threats and what are their opportunities, so they can have a really good SWOT analysis of their business, of their where they're working in any company can have a SWOT analysis using this type of interactive dashboards. Mm, Also, these dashboards are really good to create prototypes for any projects that you are creating. And when you create a prototype using Excel, and then you can then present this prototype in front of your boss or in anywhere you want in front of your client, and then you can then create the real products, real-time products, and in any other software or on the website, and it will give you a really beautiful way to give life to your ideas using the prototypes developed in Excel. So this is all about the customer success dashboard demo, and so stay tuned and watch the upcoming episodes of the creating the customer success dashboard step by step. So if you want to move your career to the next level, and if you want to give life to your data and create beautiful visualization and play with the data, do the magic with the data, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development, learning new skills, and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity that is waiting for you. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of the new video shared on this platform. Also, share the video with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay.